Jet Li swiftly dismantles Riggs's gun. Lethal Weapon 4. When Mel Gibson finds out Rene Rousseau is pregnant, he is promoted to captain.
So what the hell we do now?
Yeah. Oh, captain of shit. I'll hang out by the coffee machine.
Yeah. Take long lunches.
Yell things like Riggs, Murtaugh.
Chief! Chief shitting bricks, man. Finished?
Hey, look,
You finished?
Along with Glover, whose daughter is knocked up by Chris Rock.
Who's the lucky soon-to-be dead son-in-law?
Riggs.
Who?
Sergeant Lee Butters.
Oh, this just gets better and better. Biscuits? I mean, no wonder he's been sucking up to Raj. He brings him apples and blankets and coffee. Apple for Raj.
Not a word, Riggs. I'm telling you.
Before they find Chinese human traffickers, with Glover hiding illegal immigrants at his home.
There's a Chinese person in the kitchen.
I saw him.
I mean, a couple of Chinese people. Actually, a whole family. A large family.
Then going to a Chinese restaurant, where they trip the fire system.
Have something to eat. Give you the police discount.
Fly lice?
Fly lice. It is fried rice, you prick.
Prompting Jet Li to kidnap illegal aliens and set their house on fire, then coerces forgery through murder.
Means people's money. It's currency in mainland China.
People's money.
Oh, wait, what else did Benny say?
Well, it might lead somewhere. He's talking about his ancestors and necessities. He's talking about buying them back.
Something about how tonight would be too late.
That's right.
I mean, anything to you?
No, nothing at all.
So that he can bribe corrupt Chinese government, only for them to reveal the money is fake.
See all this? I hope you need a lot of toilet paper back home, because that's about all it's good for, wiping your ass with it.
Yeah, you can take the 4 pops back to China. We don't give a shit.
The 4 pops.
Yeah.
We don't want them here no more. It's counterfeit, see?
Causing the deaths of violent Chinese criminals, Jet Li's brother among them.
Well, now you done it. Now he's really pissed.
Son of a bitch gonna be a handful.
Prompting him to beat them up at a pier, where he falls into the water, where Gibson kills him. Worth watching for Jet Li breakout role.
刚刚打我了。
那家伙见不着他的家人，是不会把事情做完的。
唔使愁啊，我搞到佢嘅。
在香港，你早就死定了。
你要是不做的话，你的家人会一个一个死在你面前。
很久没见了，
快又是我们的天下。
一切都安排好，放心吧。美国到处都是法律，但都是人写的，钱可以改变一切。